Wow, this is quite a monster of a one blank next completion. Let's try to take it apart. Based on a spate of hospitable planets, or Goldilocks planets, as scientists affectionately dub them, recently found orbiting the stars of 3 distinct solar systems, astronomers have been able to blank the number of Earth-like planets in the universe, a figure much higher than previously estimated. Wow, so what is going on here? Well, we have scientists trying to estimate the number of planets in another universe based on the number of hospitable planets found in these 3 distinct solar systems. So they say, okay, we're going to take here, let me draw my little solar systems. There's a little Andromeda-esque one, and oh wait, that's a galaxy. But anyway, here's 3 solar systems, 1, 2, and 3, and they find out there's a certain number of them. Let's say there's 25. So based on these solar systems, whatever the way they look, they've come up with this number. Now they want to say, based on this, we're going to try to figure out what's the number of these Goldilocks planets in the entire universe. So you have, of course, millions, billions of solar systems in the known universe. And so based on a few, you're going to come up with a much larger number. And that is called extrapolation. So again, the idea of you're taking a small sample size, looking at the trends there, taking that number, and then applying it to a much larger unknown vast quantity. Now let's look at some of the other answers. Insinuate means to aggressively assume something in such a way to say, hey, I bet you did this. It doesn't match the context. Watch out for intuit. Intuit needs to be based on your emotion, kind of that gut instinct. That's very different from what we're doing here based on these actual planets or the number of planets in these solar systems. So again, this is science here. We're basing one number and applying it to another, not intuition. And then indicate isn't really the word we're going for here. It's not they've been able to indicate, but they've actually been able to figure out. And what's this process of figuring out called? Well, again, it's called extrapolation.